G'day, it's Phil here and welcome to my channel. Today we have a mail call. I have a few envelopes that I've received at my PO box, and I've got another little box that I wanted to have a look at, as well as some new product that I haven't seen on the internet yet, but I picked it up from the Royal Australian Mint through one of their distributors. So let's get into it. Here we have a mailer bag that I picked up from my PO box in the last couple of weeks. Pretty sure I know who it's from, but let's open her up and see what we have inside. We have a little note, as well as some very well packaged from SCN. That's Sydney Coin Noodler. To Phil. That's what does he say? Hiya Phil, just sending you a special gift to you from up here in Sydney. As you should know, these gifts are in the replacement of the rotated 2010 30% 50-cent coin. I lost, unfortunately. Either way, it feels great to be helping out another excellent coin and collectible collector. Your content is great as usual. Thank you for your time and care. Hope all the best for you. From Sydney Coin Noodler 2022. To Phil. Thank you very much, Sydney Coin Noodler. Much appreciated. And we'll see what we have here in this little package. Move this out of the way a little bit. Cut into this little section. So we've got 50 cent, $1 and $2 from Sydney Coin Noodler. I'm not sure if there's anything in there. No, that's fine. So Sydney Coin Noodler said that he would have a look at his rotated 50-cent collection and see if he would send it. Unfortunately, couldn't find it. But this is what he has sent instead. Oh, he sent me a round New Zealand 50 cent and a couple of other little coins. Fantastic. So let's open that up and see what else he has sent me. Yeah, he sent me around a 50-cent piece, but a New Zealand around a 50-cent piece. Very, very nice. 1979. I think I've noodled one of those out of circulation. Thinking it was a magnificent coin. He has sent me a Matilda coin, which at this point I haven't noodled out of circulation, so that's a very nice little bit to add to the collection. The dark green. He sent me a H. Hills Hoist, Great Aussie Coin Hunt #1 from 2019. That's very nice of him. Oh, and a Socceroos coin to go with the Matilda coin from 2022. The 100 years of the national soccer team. And he sent me a $1 coin. Mob of Roos. And it's a changeover. Sydney Coin Noodler. That's amazing. A changeover. Wow. Thank you very much, my friend. I'm speechless. That's no one's ever sent me a changeover. But having said that is a great coin, and that I thank you very much for sending that through. And viewers, if you haven't seen Sydney Coin Noodler's channel, head over to his channel. He does a bit of noodling like myself. $1 coins, $2 coins. He's done quite a bit of noodling. So head over there and have a look. And Sydney Coin Noodler, thank you very much. Well, let's move on to the next one. And this one has come from overseas. Look, we have Deutsche Post. So it's from Germany. I'm pretty sure I know who this is from. So let's open her up and have a look. From overseas post. Don't get very many overseas posts, but we will open up and see what she says. And so, hi Phil, it's been some time that I sent you a letter. This time it is an international letter. I enclosed the new €10 polymer coin and the €2. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to spell that or say that. It's got some PHs in it. Philharmonic. I think it's the Philharmonic coin. The two postcards are also about the Philharmonic, El Philharmonic, I think. And I also enclosed a $350 stamp. Wow. And so we have the El Philharmonic in Germany. I think it's in Hamburg. And he sent me the new polymer coin and a stamp so that I can send him he sent me a stamp so that I can send him a letter, which will be fantastic. I will do that. That's 100%. And so he has sent me the new polymer coin, and you would have seen in one of my previous videos that the Euro Coin Hunter, who's Mike from Euro Coin Hunts, gave me the polymer coin previously. Oh, this is the firefighter coin. I saw this and I was talking to him about it. If you see, if I put it up against there, maybe against the light, you'll see that it's red polymer ring. You can see through it. Hopefully the light's showing through there, but that's the firefighter coin. I think he showed that on one of his there you go, 10 euros Bundesrepublik Deutschland. So 10 euro coin, not intended for circulation, but it gets it from the federal bank direct, and it is a very nice coin. It'll go quite well with our firefighters coin. But the euro coin, very, very nice. And he's also sent a 2 euro coin, which I'll touch very much on the edges. And it's the Hamburg, the Philharmonic itself. That's what the postcard is all about. And what was this other one? Very similar, but as a chair. Very nice, Mike. Thank you very much, Euro Coin Hunt, Mike. I love this coin. These polymer coins are fantastic, and this is a very nice commemorative coin, 2 euro that I've seen. It's got edge lettering on there as well. Fantastic. So thank you very much, Mike. I appreciate that very much. And yes, I will definitely send you a letter when you are able to send me an address to send it to. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Well, this is a letter from a subscriber that I am not unaware of. It's on the back. I'm not going to show it to you, but it's got an address. It's from Arnold. So Arnold, thank you very much for sending me a letter. We'll open her up and see what Arnold has sent me. Arnold says, "Hi Phil, love your show. I'm 85 years old, started collecting about 9 months ago. It has taken hold of me, and the branches of my bank know the little old lady with the green trolley. I am amazed that I can still get a coin of worth. Could you tell me anything about the 2 coins photographed? Thank you for enjoyment you have given me. Beth Arnold." Oh, well, thank you very much, Beth. Let's have a look at the 2 coins that she has sent photocopies of. And she sent me a wheat sheaf $1 coin. And then the, I think that's an Asian elephant $1 coin as well. I will have a look at that for you, Beth. The wheat shield is a not intended for circulation coin that came out in 2012. Came out in a 4 coin set. I believe that little letter there is a C, so it's a C mint mark coin printed in Canberra. And I know the other one is part of a series of coloured $1 coins that came out starting, I think, 2012. But I'll put a link in the description to the new Mistar website that shows what they are. But thank you very much for showing that. The 2012 is a very nice coin. It looks like you might have noodled that out to circulation, and even if you noodled that one out of circulation, that would have been great. They're great finds if you have noodled them out. But they are 2 of our not intended for circulation coins. Thank you very much, Beth, for asking that question. It's much appreciated to send me a letter. I'm very happy to answer you. Now, let's have a look at what I have received, or what I bought in new mint product. So I picked up the 50th anniversary of the Sydney Opera House, and we have a dodecahedron 50-cent piece, but it is aluminium bronze, so it's in the same metal as the $1 and $2 coin instead of the copper nickel that the 50-cent piece is usually. And there is the design of the 50th anniversary of the Sydney Opera House. It's a very nice looking coin, very modern in its design. And there on the obverse we have the memorial effigy, one of the biggest memorial effigies you'll see. Obviously the 50-cent piece, quite large, so you get a really good look at it in quite large size. There we have the spiel. You can pause on that and read it at your leisure, but basically the Sydney Opera House turning 50 and the Royal Australian Mint celebrating that half century of use. but very, very nice. This one took a little bit of time to come out from when we were told about it. It came out in the start of August in 2023. Well, that's it for the mail call this week, middle of August in 2023. Thank you very much for all of the people that have written into me and especially sent me some gifts. It's lovely to be sent gifts in the mail. It's always much appreciated. Thank you very much. The 50th anniversary of Sydney Opera House. It's a lovely coin if you haven't already been able to get one. They're reasonably minted, so there should be still a number around from distributors at recommended retail if you're thinking about getting the latest 50-cent piece. But that's it for this week. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what I do, please think about subscribing. Give me the thumbs up and leave a comment about what you think of these coins and these letters this week. But thank you. I will be back for more noodling probably tomorrow, so I'll see you then. Bye.